Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Stars, silver, what's the man? Bass only. Again, that part. Measure 43. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. To see the world of Jesus Christ was the stable then, the Prince of Glory when he came. Above. Okay, measure 55. Okay, in 3. 1, 2, 3. Above dive deep and dreamless sleep. For silent stars go by. Oh, now carry me to Bethlehem to see the world of love again. Jesus for us was the faithful then, the Prince of Glory when he came. Angels sing again the song you sing. 72 in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Angels sing again the song you sang. You're the melody here. Sing the glory of God's gracious land. Sing the Bethlehem so we can. Savior of us all. Oh, now carry me to Bethlehem to see the world of love again. Just as poor as was the faithful then, the Prince of Glory when he came. Oh now carry. Is it bring me to Bethlehem to see the Lord of love again. Just as poor as was the faithful then, the Prince of Glory when he came. 1, 2, 3. The Prince of Glory when he Okay, alto, tenor, you're not here, so nobody's singing tenor. So, soprano 2 is easy, right? Because your notes are the same. You will read like, oh, now carry me to Bethlehem to see the Lord. It repeats. Listen again. Alto, have you had your lunch? You sound like demure. You scare us with your birds. Like
Coffee.
To see the Lord. Okay, let's start again. Carry me to Bethlehem.
Page.
When do you start? Okay, Matthew will start in measure 8, which is in 49. Page 49, he will start playing in measure 8 at the bottom. Okay, ready?
Save in an open door.
This one. The Prince of Glory, glory, 1, 2, when he came. So it's like 1. The Prince of Glory, 1, 2, when he came. 4, 1, 2, 3, and when he came. Yeah, that's it. We just have to work on our tone, the quality of our voice. Soprano, sing the glory of God's gracious way together to see the Lord above again. Just as Lawrence was the slave of then, the Prince of Glory when he came. Prince of Glory when he
What's the soprano do when he came in?
Very confusing. Second soprano. Yeah.
You just repeat the. Right? You repeat this one, right? When he.
I want to change my shoes. I want to change my shoes. Umawit na yung paa ko. Gusto na yung paa, change yung sapatos ko. Rather than sa maglagay.
You will repeat the when he.
Mamaya na yung ato natin mag-practice. Tayo.
Sing when he. There you go. Can we do the soprano one and
Ito, may yung Sunday.
measure 99?
Tsaka yung isa pang mga salang ka sa Sunday. Ay,
No,
low
when
bend.
he.
May practice ka sa Sunday. May practice ka sa Sunday. Meron ako pala. Ito ang meron ako pala. Ikaw na lang mamili sa yung pang bagay na gusto. Alam ko lang. Dapat ikaw ang kasi mamaya hindi mo magustuhan yung gusto ko. Okay. Maybe maaga tayo matapos at puntahan doon. Saglit lang naman mga 6:30 po rin ang balik or 7.
Correct?
Naglibot na akong Sunday, 29. Meron, pero panglakad. Doon kasi ako sana sa sunod. Meron ba sa bungkok? Sa bungkok, meron ba sa bungkok?
Soprano one is
Meron yata doon sa market.
soprano two is
May nabili ako na mahaba.
the middle note.
Mahaba na jogging pants. Something
Yung
like
nagamit mo pang araw-araw.
ano siya.
Yeah.
Yun nga, yung gusto ko tagtag sa
Pero
bukid.
kailangan ikaw ang tumingin para at least alam mo yung
Yun
gusto
lang
mo.
ang bahay na pang market. Wala akong